Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about how to add base layer like Google Earth, Google Maps and other satellite images as a base layer in QGIS. Let's begin. Go to plugins, manage and install plugins, write HCMGIS, install plugin, close. There you will see HCMGIS. Just click on this, add base map. You can add Google Maps. See, you can also add Google Satellite and various other images, satellite images as a base layer. So it is very simple. Just by installing one plugin, you can get access to all the images as a base layer. Thank you.